For part 2 of my implement tournament implementation, I'm going to walk you through my approach to the flybys and the asteroid collisions. So first, let's talk about the asteroid flybys. For the purposes of this demonstration, I muted all the audio except for the flyby whoosh sounds. So let's play that and let's hear it. So let's switch on over to Wise. I made a random container, added 3 whooshes in there, and I pitched them down to 1750. And then I added some attenuation to them as well. So that way when they're passing by, we can get like there's some distance going on in between them. So the setup is pretty simple and wise. Now let's go over to the Unreal Engine and look at the blueprint. I started off by making a collision box. And you can also use a collision sphere, but I used a collision box to make myself different. And I expanded it to where whenever I want the whooshes to start sounding, so that much. Moving on to the event graph. Let me find my asteroid flybys. So the first thing I did was add a begin overlap event to my collision box. And I am checking 3 things. The first thing I'm checking is, does the overlap have the tag asteroid in it? Checking if the overlap asteroid is not the same as the last overlap asteroid, so the sound does not play more than once on the same asteroid. And finally, checking if the speed is greater than 11,000. And if all of it is true, then the overlapped asteroid becomes the last pass by asteroid. And that's where I'm going to place my post sound event. I made the post sound event on location so that way I can hear the whoosh depending on where the asteroid is I happen to fly by. 2 variables were made. One was the last pass by variable and the other one was the forward speed variable, which I got from the on forward speed event tick. Going back to Wise, these are my collision sounds that I made for the spaceship. They're in a random container and I pitched it up by 200 and gave him a significant volume boost. I probably should have boosted the volume in my DAW. Moving to the event graph in Unreal, I'm going to go all the way up to the check for collisions collapsed graph. This is where I placed my sounds. So first things first, I added a sequence node so that way the game can play the stuff on the 0 first and then check for my collisions. So coming from the sequence, I added a branch node and it's checking to see if the collided asteroid does not equal the last collided asteroid. And if that's true, then it will play my post events. So back to the event graph. In the asteroid collision, I added a end overlap. And that is checking to see if the object that caused this event is the last collided asteroid. And if it is, the last collided asteroid variables will reset. And that end overlap comes from the collision sphere I made for the spaceship. Now I'm going to play the game and give it a listen. And there you have it. That is my implementation for the Airwiggles implement tournament.